You are a frozen caramel slice, and I would like to inform you about a change, a pivotal moment in the crypto industry when it comes to Richard Hart and the rest of all the main characters. You see, friends, let's go through this right now. So, on the left is the founder of Uniswap, Hayden Adams, and on the right is Richard Hart. Now, Uniswap is one of the greatest inventions in crypto, period. That's what she said. Best formula, simple, visionary. It sparked a whole crypto industry itself. DEXs. There's a problem though. The Unicoin sucks. The Unicoin is a fake DeFi, fake governance coin. They never implemented the buy and burn when the shareholders needed them to. And now there's a trash report from Gauntlet going out telling them basically they shouldn't, which could be a bribed political hit piece that they asked for just so they have an excuse not to implement it. Now, why will they do that? In a nutshell, and you remember you're listening to a guy in a bull hat with a straight posture. In a nutshell, the corrupt SEC brought in Uniswap Labs and all the people there, and they said, hey, you're going to sit down, you're going to shut up, you're going to kiss my feet, and you're going to tell me everything about the crypto industry, and if you don't like it, we're going to kick you in the nuts. You don't have nuts, we're going to kick you there anyway. And so the Uniswap Labs squealed. They go, no, please, not there, sir. And so what happened is they backstabbed the whole crypto industry. They showed them the ropes, they showed them everything, how it works, inside out. They basically fast-tracked all of it. Now, this is the funny part and sad. After they started showing them the ropes, JP Mosquito, the bug eaters, and Goldman Slugs, the people who are actually controlling the corrupt SEC, by the way, they then told them, hey, now that you're done with this piece of trash, kick them to the curb. It's a dirty, dirty game. That's exactly what's happening to Uniswap. So now Uniswap have to go back and go, no, we'll help you, don't kick us to the curb. It's a very scummy relationship. They're backstabbing the crypto industry. We have evidence of this. We've seen it. Okay, and it all started from the beginning. At first, the corrupt SEC was hostile towards Uniswap, but then they gave in. They go, no, we'll help you out. They basically sold their souls to the devil. There was one important, critical part of the deal, though. The part of the deal is you're not allowed to implement the buy and burn or protocol fee switch or anything positive for your shareholders, Uni token holders, because that might constitute Uni as a fake security, which the corrupt SEC is trying to label all of crypto. So that is what happened in a nutshell. So today, in the code, you can see in Uniswap's code, which is not activated, there's a protocol fee switch. Right now, 30 basis points goes to the liquidity provided. If they activate the code, instead of 30, it becomes 25 basis points, and then 5 goes to this magical area to hopefully buy and burn Uni token. Now, based off the cumulative net volume, which I already calculated, Uni should be rank number 3 in all of crypto. And you can see it right here. This is CoinGecko. It should be above Tether. You can calculate this through a just simple buy and burn, and you can find out the net total volume of Uni. Just go to Uni V1, 2, and 3, and I ended up doing it in one episode, and fantastic. Now we're at a critical point. Who got all the Uni coins? Yeah, some of it was airdropped. Most of the coins were given to the VC insiders. Could you participate? Nope. Could I participate? Nope. They already got the coins. And the founders have dumped. They've dumped a lot. So they don't need to step on the shoes of corrupt SEC and be rebels anymore because they've already got hundreds of millions of dollars. They're like, nah, screw it. Screw everybody. But the man on the right has got billions. And he's not going to roll over and let the corrupt SEC crush crypto. No, he's not. See, the guy on the left works with the corrupt SEC to infringe crypto rights. And the guy on the right, Richard Hart, is fighting the corrupt SEC to help crypto rights. Do you see the difference there? Let's continue. The guy on the left has no fee switch. There's a useless governance token. But the guy on the right has a fee switch. A fee switch refers to a decentralized format of the code where if it's activated, you have a buy and burn mechanism. It's nothing complicated. It's just whenever there's economic activity on your exchange, with this fee switch, there's a tax taken from the economic activity through code, decentralized, no middlemen. There's a tax taken out, and that tax is automatically coded to go and buy the coin. So people who own that coin, where the route goes to buy, if you own the coin, you own the casino. That's everything in a nutshell. Owning PulseX, PLSX, is owning the casino. Yes, you can literally leave an offer inside market and it will chew through your offer every time people trade. The exchange is doing 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, hit $60 million per day at the PulseChain launch in May 2023. It hit $400 million a day of volume at the peak. Man, that was big. So that's a lot of volume, friends. If you do 0.06 divided by 100, okay, and you multiply that by 400 million, which is what it was doing in a day, it bought $240,000 of PulseX that one day clip every day. Now, 400 million is a lot. Even if you divide it by 4, that's $60,000, $100 million a day. Right now, we're doing like $50, $60 million worth. So you can imagine as everything grows, that's why this is super important to understand this, okay? The guy on the left, only VCs and insiders were given a uni allocation. Don't give me this hocus pocus about this trash airdrop. That was all a grift, okay? I had a big portfolio weight in that. We got schooled because they did not choose the path of the people. They chose to step on the people. We're here to fight back until you know more. We are going to vote with our wallets. We're going to go allocate capital to where it's treated best. You see, the guy on the right knows this. That's why there was a public participation. There were no insiders. It was free and open. Now, you might not agree with it. You might say, hey, PulseChain, PulseX sacrifice, that was hell you guys went through. Sure. Was it free and open? Yes. Could you participate in uni? No. No, you can't. What about the next point? The guy on the left doesn't get called a scammer. Isn't that weird after all those points? But the guy on the right gets called a scammer daily. How does that work? Incentives, friends. Incentives. You see, when your coin doesn't have insiders, it means you don't have any powerful people who are grifting mainstream crypto, the audience, the innocent victims of the audience. Because you don't have them on your side and in bribe, they are not communicating through the channels to tell everybody that you're a good dude. Come and get grifted by this guy. That's what these other coins are doing. They give insider, they're called angel ICO allocations. There are many coins out there. Craptos, APT, PUI, SUI, Monad. There's Molestia, TIA. Many coins. Stalkware, Stalk. Heaps of coins, friends. Heaps and heaps and heaps. Sure, they might have great tech, but you know what else they also got? They got insiders. Were you allowed in the Arbitrum ICO allocation? No, you weren't. Okay, you weren't. They're up 180x. What's even worse is the insiders before them are up 950x. Crazy. That's right, a $10,000 allocation, which was given to many Ethereum maxis to shill. $10,000 allocation they were given. You know how much it's worth today on the unlocks? 9.5 million today. Now, they don't have all the coins unlocked. So their goal is to just shill it until you. Now, were you allowed in? No, you weren't. I wasn't allowed in either. So I want you to think twice when other people say this guy on the right is a scammer. Think about it. After all the facts I just told you, they're all facts. Go look it up yourself. Go look it up yourself. Go do your own research, okay? This is exactly why you watch me. So just think about everybody else out there. 68 streamers, 140 plus content creators. We know PulseChain, PulseX, and Hex is real DeFi. Hex offers you native trustless yield. PulseX is owning a decentralized casino. PulseChain is a decentralized layer 1 chain. You might say, oh, they're all memes. I don't really care. There's 200,000 people in the network. You figure it out. It's there. It's real. There's 13,000 daily active users. Cardano had that much 4 years ago, and guess what Cardano did in the last bull market? It was in its second cycle, and it still did a 150x. It went from 13,000 daily active users. It did a 10x on the user base. It did 100x on the price growth. Why can't PulseChain do that? Not financial advice. You're watching a person literally wearing a bull hat. Moo, moo. Okay, so if anything goes wrong, you know exactly what's up. So just think about these little red candles, friends. It's not even a red candle. Looking at the weekly candle chart here, I want you to just think about everything I've said. Do you think with your heart that there are people out there who got crushed in 2021? Yes. Yes, there are. 99% of my audience, okay? We're here to help friends. We're here to heal the sick, heal the wounded, like a phoenix rising from the ashes, okay? We're here to heal. Now, just forecast this. If we are like that, imagine how bad it is for everybody else out there getting destroyed in leverage trading exchanges, getting destroyed holding coins that are never going to come back, getting destroyed by buying tops, buying green candles because they have nothing to believe in. Think about all those people out there. I think it's a powder keg. It's going to blow one day. Once they finally see a couple of green monthly candles in the PulseChain, PulseX, and X ecosystem, and they start to wake up themselves and they go, golly gee, I thought I was late, but PulseChain still needs a freaking 10x to flip Cardano. So think about this next time you decide to panic, because I say keep accumulating your bags, continue yield farming on PulseX, and remember it takes time. You got to rinse these break-even soy boys. But that's why I brought you that beginning information to tell you this is the team we're on. This looks like a team you want to be behind, because everyone, look around you to the left and right. These are principles, core principles. People with a lot of money come into the system like, you know what? I think this is bigger than just number go up, you know. Ultimately, it's all about number go up, people number go up. But you can see there's something special brewing here. You don't get this X factor, cult, religious feeling, greater movement, greater calling. You don't get that in many other communities. If you do, please post them in the comment section, because I want to research them. Make sure you like, subscribe, bell button, all. Catch you soon, friends.